Hello and welcome. What if I told you that 4 simple ingredients, most of which are likely sitting in your kitchen right now, could be combined to create a unique and powerful drink that will leave you very thankful? This isn't your average morning coffee or evening tea. The recipe I'm about to share is a special, time-tested mixture known for its remarkable effects on energy and vitality. Think of it as a secret weapon, hidden in plain sight, using the natural power of everyday foods. In this video, I'm going to reveal everything you need to know. We'll cover the exact recipe, the critical steps that you absolutely cannot skip, and precisely how and when to use this beverage to unlock its maximum effect. This is a method where the details truly matter, so you'll want to pay close attention. Let's begin by understanding the powerhouse ingredients we'll be using. Each one plays a specific and crucial role in the final result. Our first ingredient, and the foundation of this recipe, is fresh garlic. For centuries, garlic has been revered not just for its flavor, but for its health-giving properties. It's been historically used to boost strength, stamina, and overall vigor. For this mixture to work, it is absolutely essential that you use fresh garlic cloves, not garlic powder, and not the pre-minced kind sold in jars. The potent, active compounds are at their peak in fresh garlic, and that is what we need to harness. Next, we have the activator, coffee. But not just any coffee. For this specific recipe, we need traditional instant coffee. You might be wondering why. The reason is twofold: its high concentration and its immediate solubility. The fine granules of instant coffee dissolve completely, allowing for a perfect fusion with our other ingredients. It provides the energetic base note that makes this drink so effective. Choose a traditional, unflavored variety for the purest results. Our third ingredient is the catalyst, fresh lemon. A vibrant, fresh lemon provides the acidic element needed to cut through the other strong flavors, creating a more balanced, if intense, profile. More than just a flavor agent, the citric acid in lemon juice interacts with the other components, helping to meld them together into a unified, potent liquid. We will be using the juice of half a lemon to bring this zesty, catalytic power to our blend. And finally, we have the smoother, pure, natural honey. Honey serves a dual purpose in this recipe. First, it makes the powerful concoction more palatable by adding a touch of natural sweetness. But beyond that, honey itself is a celebrated natural substance, known for its own array of beneficial properties. It rounds out the mixture, ensuring the final drink is as smooth as it is potent. For the best quality, use raw, unprocessed honey if you have it available. Now that we understand the role of each component, let's get into the method. Remember, the order and the details here are critical to achieving the desired outcome, so follow along closely. The first step is to prepare the garlic base. You will need 2 large cloves of fresh garlic. If your cloves are on the smaller side, use 3 or even 4. The key is to have a good, potent amount. Peel the cloves, and then you must transform them into a fine paste. The best way to do this is with a garlic press, which will extrude the garlic perfectly. If you don't have a press, you can mince it with a knife and then use the side of the blade to crush and smear it against the cutting board until you achieve a paste-like consistency. The goal is a smooth paste, not fine chunks. This texture is vital for proper infusion. Place this garlic paste into a small bowl. Next, it's time to add our activator. Measure out 1 heaping tablespoon of your traditional instant coffee granules and add them directly to the bowl with the garlic paste. Now, using the back of a spoon, begin to mix and press the coffee and garlic together. Continue to mix until you have a thick, dark, and homogeneous paste. You'll notice the aroma is quite unique. That's a sign that the ingredients are beginning to merge. Once you have your dark paste, it's time to introduce our catalyst. Take 1 fresh lemon and slice it in half. Squeeze the juice from one of the halves directly into the bowl with your coffee and garlic paste. You will see the paste instantly loosen and become more liquid. Stir everything together thoroughly until the lemon juice is fully incorporated and the mixture has a consistent, fluid texture. Now, for the infusion. You'll need 1 standard-sized cup of water, which is approximately 220 milliliters, or 7.5 fluid ounces. Bring this water to a full, rolling boil. The water must be boiling hot to properly extract the compounds from our mixture. Carefully pour the boiling water directly over the paste in your heat-proof mug. Give it a brief but thorough stir to ensure everything is distributed throughout the hot water. And now we arrive at the most important step of the entire process, a step you cannot afford to rush. You must cover the mug and let the beverage rest. A small saucer or plate works perfectly as a lid. Let it sit undisturbed for a minimum of 20 to 30 minutes. This resting period is non-negotiable. It serves two critical functions. First, it allows the extremely hot beverage to cool down to a safe and drinkable temperature. Second, and more importantly, this is the infusion phase where the full potential of the ingredients is unlocked and activated within the water. This is where the magic truly happens. After the 20 to 30 minute resting period has passed, your drink is ready for its final preparation. First, let's prepare your serving mug. Into a clean, empty mug, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey or more to your personal taste. Remember, this will be the only sweetener, so adjust accordingly. Now, take the mug with your infused beverage. You will notice some sediment has settled at the bottom. We want to separate the liquid from this solid material. Using a fine mesh strainer, carefully pour the liquid from the first mug into the second mug containing the honey. The strainer will catch the bits of garlic and any undissolved coffee, leaving you with a smooth, dark liquid. Discard the contents of the strainer. Now, stir the beverage in your new mug well to ensure the honey is completely dissolved. And there you have it. The drink is now complete and ready. The most critical factor for this drink is timing. For its intended effect, you should consume the entire cup approximately 30 minutes before you plan to wind down for the evening. So there you have it, a powerful and all-natural drink to boost vitality that you can easily make at home. But while this is a fantastic addition to your routine, I know some of you might be looking for an even faster, more direct solution to restore peak male performance, something that works in as little as 7 seconds. A team of biomedical researchers recently revealed an eye-opening video about a bizarrely simple home remedy that not only reverses the real scientific cause of performance issues, but also supercharges your desire, giving you the power to get hard as steel on command. It's 100% natural and works without pills, injections, or lifestyle changes. If you want to discover this breakthrough method for yourself, I've made the video available for you to watch right now. Just open your phone's camera and point it at the QR code on your screen. Go ahead, do it now. You can also find the direct link in the pinned comment below this video. This is a game changer, and I highly recommend you watch it. Now, before we wrap up, let's quickly go over the essential rules for the coffee and garlic drink we made today. Remember these 4 critical points. 1. Use only fresh garlic, never powdered or preserved. 2. You must use traditional instant coffee for proper infusion. 3. Let the beverage rest covered for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Do not skip this. And 4. For the best results, drink it approximately 30 minutes before your desired activity. If you found this unique recipe intriguing, please give this video a thumbs up. It lets me know that you appreciate content like this. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell for more tips and secrets you won't find anywhere else. I have a question for you. Have you ever heard of a combination like this before? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Try it for yourself and you will understand its power. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.